कोई हौजे हार्ट की कमायना पंपिंग ऑर्गन है बनो व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ हार्ट से कोई ngasi sida yengasi ko no slide da ju ure working of the human heart ana first of all heart habisi koina it is a pumping organ which is of which contain 4 chamber makoida mangunda hadi heart sida chamber mani thokna laye mathakta na kai haiba mathak kangbu ko sina atrium haini makhai kangbu sina ventricle haini ana left right khaidok pa yare the 4 chambers namely left atrium left ventricle right atrium and right ventricle hariba chambers gi magi mathau laye how do they functions habadu my workings the yengasi ahamada koina oxygen ga mix oxygenated blood ko adi pure blood from the lungs se sigi lak passion passage na yengase ba heart habasi double circulation towi habadi amuk changak pa amuk thok pa sis da the blood comes in and comes out of the heart twice. That is why the circulation of the human is called double circulation. Heart tagi lungs ta amuk phawba adagi amuk thokpa sidagi double circulation lei haina khoina khali bani ba ana ahamada oxygenated blood from the lungs is passed through the left atrium with the help of pulmonary veins. Pulmonary veins hariba basal singsina lungs tagi purified oraba or you can say oxygenated blood singse left atrium da pusalani. Left atrium se adukanda they will expand or they will relax ko sangthorani di blood to changabni na aduga mass contract or kana when they contract the blood will pass on to the next chamber that is left ventricle. Left ventricle hariba chamber which is more thicker wall ko thicker wall laiba chambers da when left ngasai mathaki left atrium duna contract or kana makharam da pithare ba ko sina kai chamber da pithare kana left ventricle hariba chambers da contract or left atriums na contract or kana left ventricle chambers da lae adubu laiba blood to maning amu handana by the makta valve yawiba valve habadi it acts like a door ko changmadi aba thokpadi ada by mong da ko habadi backflow ya dana by the makta valve yawiba masdia ba valve ki maming se mitral valve na jo hai na traga bicuspid valve ko masisina they will prevent the backflow of the blood amuhan harake ngasagi lungs tagi oxygenated blood singdo pulmonary vein singsina pusalani aduga the first chamber ko left atrium hariba chambers da yaurani left atrium dagi left ventricle da lae when the left atrium contract mathaki chamber do contract tarokana makhada blood singdo push down tore aduga backflow among maning handana by damakta valve yawi valve imaming duna bicuspid or mitral valve masina backflow tawdana by damakta prevent tawi adugas the left ventricle the blood se oxygenated blood ni purified blood ni masigi blood se they had to be transported to different parts of the body atopa part mayam duda kona blood se piru dune ba oxygenated blood singje because energy da kata abnina oxygen da kata abnina ko supply to dune aduna sigi siamo left ventricle some contract or kind with high pressure they are passed on to different parts of the body through aorta hariba main pipes da ngasagi left ventricle da yauri ba blood sing do pass torga different parts of the body da thungurani but with high pressure masima leire aduga next asom side ta right side ta kado har kanda heart ki ngasagi body mayam dagi carbon dioxide yauraba or you can say deoxygenated oxygen yaudraba blood sing ko haibadi impure blood sing do makoi sing je mo purify tawduni ba blood ke circulation ma maintain tawna ba namakta ko ana ngasagi deoxygenated blood mayam ji different parts of the body se pusalae through two main veins so ba vein ko you can say vena cava makoi sina pusale akoi gi body gi upper part ki pusalai ba vein sina superior vena cava harane superior vena cava sina they will collect the deoxygenated blood from the upper part of the body and the inferior vena cava makhada leba vein sina they will carry the blood called deoxygenated blood from lower part of the body and pipe oni sina pusalakan da they will enter to the right atrium hariba chamber sida blood se yorani right atrium sida blood to laabne, they will expand and they will contract to pass on to the next chamber, that is right ventricle. Right ventricle haiba chamber sida yongna badamakta right ventricle se contract torni aduga blood se push down torni. Masisu sidasu khona valve ama yawi between the right atrium and right ventricle. Ani chamber ani marks sidasu door like thongi tapta valve ama yawi, they are known as tricuspid valve. Masi sina kada wihar kanda, they will prevent the backflow maning hadana by the makta valve se sina mating panghale aduga sida yawi ba right ventricle hai basi deoxygenated blood neba, and they had to be purified sendok padaka tareba, and they are passed on to the lungs sa pishan doneba. Masi pi hibda kanana pi hai kari through the pi hai kanda, we have got pulmonary arteries. Pulmonary artery hai ba ngasagi vessels ingna deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle do purani aduga each lungs amamam piruni ko side left and right ana amuk sida purify torokan ngasai amuk saki left side ta logiba process to mahalak neba ana sida. That is why human blood circulation is called double circulation, because there is double passes amalai double satpada sigi damakta ne khoina double circulation nei hai je ana amu hanjalake heart ki function se heart ki mathau jak mind we have se. How does the heart work? Heart see, it is a pumping organ. They have got 4 chambers, right and left side ta right ventricle, right atrium, left ventricle, left atrium. Mathaki part atrium kambuni, we have got right and left ana lungs tagi lakpudo hana yengsi, lungs tagi oxygenated lungs tagi lakpa blood si oxygenated blood hybrid mixed with oxygen ni masi kanam pore hai kanda, they are carried by pulmonary veins. Pulmonary veins singna lungs tagi oxygenated blood to pusalani karamba chamber da lai hai kanda left atrium da lai. Left atrium harba chamber sida lai mathangi chamber sina karina har kanda left ventricle. Left atrium dagi left ventricle lai. Marak sida karamba valve yawi har kanda tricuspid valve. Bicuspid valve, sorry. Bicuspid valve se yawi masi sina kadawi, they will prevent the backflow of the blood. Blood yawi blood sings na maning handana binamakta valves na prevent away. Masida hauji ko kaya ure left ventricle yawi ko. Left ventricle da yawi ba blood se the oxygenated blood ni oxygen yaw blood ni aduna makoi se every cell of the body da yong na bo hona doi ni ana kanana puthoy hai kanda aorta na pure. So amu halake left atrium to left ventricle, then aorta yareko similar chokosaki right ki do muhalage ratana kadoba deoxygenated blood sing do they are carried by 2 main vein, that is the upper vena cava, we can say superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava carries the deoxygenated blood, have the oxygen of the blood sing do upper part of the body they collect away, lower part na kananda we inferior vena cava. Veins ni singsna kra de pusale hai kana right atrium. Right atrium se pusale, right atrium da gidi kra dilai right ventricle. Right ventricle lae, right ventricle de kra de chali pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery is the kadam chali lungs ta. Sile ko ana lungs ka kadam chali no purification of blood. So no heart, human heart ki working se map tanan khale. After the completion of the transportation life process in humans, now let's focus on plants. Plants also, they are a living organism. Because ehing maziba amani aduna makhoi da chathariba life process mayam do tongna da makta, they need food and energy. Adubu my magi different parts in the yongna da makta transporting system amada ka tai ba pithok pisin oi ba thabok haidi pithok pisin tongna da makta transporting system amada ka tai adubu masigi se plants se lower plants habam lere higher plants habam lere ko koi lower plants kambu haidi algae gumba fungi gumba makhoi da di tongan ba top system transportation system ama fazana develop to bongam deba maram maduna, or you can say yamna line diffusion to the yamna line transportation to bongam me by using simple processes like diffusion gumba, osmosis gumba, active transport sumba jam processing this naraga modi transportation to weba ado makhoi na higher plants kumba yeng kana di with branches and trees ko si myam si yeng kan de koina kai do ya kan da transporting system ama da ka tai ngasagi simple process diffusion gumba lower higher concentration de saturation to wasu gumba jangam de ana there need to be development of some transporting system ama da ka tai vascular plants and higher share vascular bundle yaw plants sing se makhoi de with the help of the vessels ko yauriba koi phloem ade xylem noi mamangi earlier ko classes me am da sukha mani xylem phloem gi mathau se masi sina they will transport the material required by the plants and transportation of water in vascular plant ki matang da yeng ase hojino slide to ure the side picture piriba ko xylem tissue abse kana na sabno higher kanda koina tracheids ko vessel hana the class 9 da su yobuni ko sigi se structure mams punsa laga xylem tissue se form to ine ba xylem tissue have se mai mathos kaino ha kan they help in conducting water ko water pithobisin to ba sigi thabak se xylem tissue na to do ne ba magi tissue sin na every part of the plant hai tare ko have the root tagi horaga magi stem ko the branches mayam su sandok to ne interconnecting system ama develop to we mase sing sina ngasa dagi root tagi absorb to reba water sing se through xylem tissue they are transported ko soil gi si marak sida amo khoina top kanoma pressure ama mu le rakani ko root pressure haina root pressure sing sina mo kamaina develop to win har kan di ion differences mayam sa root pressure develop to buni ba ado bosigi root pressure khatang jina mo khoi gi water sing se transport to bongam deba hadi differences to ion differencing sina mo water transport to bongam de ana atopa process ama mo daka tara ni ba or you can say atopa force ama hai tare ko sim daka tara ni ana water transport adi koina transpiration se ningsang ma pai mam transpiration hadi kai no ha kanda it is a loss of water vapor ko from the area part of the plant water se koi ki vapor form da loss to khiba masi transpiration hai adana transpiration to kan sida loss of water to bani na water ki suction amala water da ka ta bai chingkhatna bai da makta ko masi ki forcing sina water chingkhat pada haidi mateng pangi ba transpirational pool is a major driving force in the movement of water hai se kaina ha kana nga sa gi transpiration to boda loss of water mayam do compensate to ba because plant need water ko water di koina kai tare daka taraga leibuni na water ki daka ta do mention ba da makta pressure ma develop to we ba that is transpirational pool ko transpiration pool jina maram oidana water ki requirement do meet up to bonga mine ba root pressure katana ngam de ba ana transpirational pool is considered as a major driving force of water na hari bane ba ko ana water matang je no je amohan jalake water transport kana to we ha kana xylem tissue no to we karan karma pressure act to we ha kana root pressure ne transpirational pool ne root pressure de kai ha kana root pressure is the pressure developed due to the ion differences between the soil and the root ka soil ga ma ion differences maram oidana koi gi soil da yaw minerals ma'am root ta changsalak ko or you can say water changsalak pat masi pressure se sin root pressure high root pressure sing sina water transport to bolngam de maram asina transpirational pool se gi mathau ta ibane ba transpirational pool hai je kana command develop to win ha kanda transpirational process ko habidi transpiration to bakanda loss to gibo water se mention na da makta pressure ama chingkhat the water chingkhat na pressure do ado dubu khona transpirational pool haire masi singsina movement of water to bona mateng pangine next go the translocation in plants haire ga di kaino har kanda a transport of soluble products of photosynthesis to bakanda tholei bangasai food substances mayam adu every part of the body of the plant ko plant ki body the supply to boda ka ta ba masin maram oidana hadi food material se da ka ta ne ba ana khona sta marks da ana hayo do bse transpiration or you can say transportation of water da it is unidirectional habidi outward movement katang re ba root tagi water chingkhapana water chingkhalaga to pamathak ta bikha khiba katane ba makha da downward to de ko adubu sigi translocation da both movement of upward and downward habidi food materials sing sidi every part of the body yoduni na they perform bidirectional movement ko the transport of soluble products of photosynthesis from leaf and stem to other parts of the plant through phloem tissue phloem sing sina food transport to mateng pange aduga they will be utilized to get energy karamba production phloem na transport to hai kanda sucrose ko adagi photosynthetic products. So now translocation in plants. Translocation in plants tadi soluble photosynthetic products singse leaf and stems tagi other parts of the plant da piv nava mathau to ni kana to hai kanda phloem tissue na to ba aduga translocation of food in plants tadi they are bidirectional, that is they perform upward movement and downward movement. Translocation of food is done by phloem tissue. Phloem tissue kai kai yawe har kadi sip plate ko the sip tube elements adagi magi parenchyma the component cell mayam ko si mayam sina ek tor kanda the food material are transported to every part of the plant. Next is excretion. Excretion hai life process it is a very important process because accumulation of harmful byproducts koi hakchang da chathakhiba ngasai functions mayam dagi tholakpa byproducts that are harmful about byproducts mayam si hakchang da accumulate taraga yomsalaga tungshalaga laibadi organism to the harmful oiba maramasina excretion is very important and the different organism gi matungina different magi excretory organ laye as for example insect adi karamba organ yawe har kana insect adi Malpighian tubules haiba structure ama yawe. While in case of the human beings or mammal, you can say kidney haiba excretory organ se mammal da diya weba. Aduna different organism matungina different excretory organs yawe. Koina let's focus on human beings. Next excretion in human beings. Human being excretion na kai changi har kanda ko kidney changi ko. So the picture na ure kidney lere, ureter lere, urinary bladder lere, adaga urethra. Masigi component में हमसे पुंसन लगता excretory system ama same in human being. Ana sida working of the kidney do understand that we have the kidney की मनुंग दा nephron हारे बा कोई की tubular structure you can say a coil structure ama यावे बा. Masi sina कोई filtration of urine दा तो दोने बा. Ana mechanism of excretion की slide sida मनुन येंगो sida nitrogenous waste metabolic waste को ngasagi body की functions में हम the tholiba byproducts or waste material mayam si koina blood sings na collect hoiba blood habasi every part dai thungi bani aduna blood sings da magi waste material mayam su collect tobum oye adagi food material mayam su transport tobum oye natra ana accumulation tawrei ba ngasagi byproducts mayam or you can say nitrogenous waste mayam do kidney na filter to ne ba filter tawraga kana bagai lahorani kana da bagai expel out to ne ba ana कोई यूरिया यूरिक एसिड है नाइट्रोजनस वेस्ट से कोई ह्यूमन की functions to bakanda excrete to weba masibu koina mapan thadok na bohona gadam ne because their accumulation is harmful to our body accumulate to ragala silabadi human being or any organism na masi harmful oibanina they had to be excreted out and a nephron hai ba cluster thin wall blood capillaries sing sina koi selective absorption to weba haibadi kana bagi rosal horaga kana da bagi pithokpa masigi nephron hai bazi kari kari yawe hargadi masida koina cup shaped structure ama yauni tubular structure ama yaugani ko you can see in the picture also substances ko some substances are absorbed by the body that is glucose amino acid salt hariba salt sing sidi daka tabanina useful oibnina absorb to horani ba filtration gi matang sida aduga kanada ba koi de excretion di pithok khidoba excrete to khidoba ko substances hiding sage urea gum uric acid kum se makhoi singina filter to rakanda pithok na bahona rani ba ko collecting dak sidagi koina kada de la ani kidney de filter to matung da koina ureter sida pipe adi ureter के पास दा पिथुरानी ureter दगी दी कोने urinary bladder दा ngha store tor thamani aduga urethra sida कोने urine do pass out torani masi matang sida कोने excretion lore in human being next ta कोइना excretion in plants yengase plants के excretion sidi कोइना points wise do ni irezi ko aham bada plants sina nisango photosynthesis के matang da kari pithoki hai photosynthesis के matang da plant give out oxygen oxygen pithoki as the byproduct masina oxygen pithokpasi ju kano gi plant ki excretion da chingai ba yai aduga respiration to wakandana plant na kai pithura kana carbon dioxide next water is also given out by the plant as their byproduct ko water singju khoi vapor gi form da pithoidana in the process of transpiration ko aduga when is the guttation hai butter mama thangoro guttation harina water release torokpa plant sing ko in early morning gumbada nasinong thengna bu suara mani ana side ta piri ba in picture da happy ba ko si se yengo grass ki matong matong da koi water droplets yauri yengo ko masi su koina excretion of water in liquid form ko by the plant ko in early morning or you can say in the night time also masi su koina excretion in plants ta chinghan ba yare aduga next ta koina excess oiba mineral absorb to sangraba ko lo de sangraba excess oiba ko adi body de accumulator ga thamba de kanadraba excess oiba ko hendo aba pot mayam or waste material mayam se mana leaf kin plants ki leaf sing store tor ga thamme ba hadi paisan thamme ba aduga they will fall off later on nokoina pambi da uramani manang ngjalak pasing do ngjalak ke laktra ana it is a means of excretion by the plants yare ko next ta koina gums and resins plants sing da koina plants kudima kinatraga su plants khara da ko resins gumba gums gumba koina uba phangi ko makoi gi bark ta oiro makoi leaves ta thokbo oiro si mayam se makoi gi excretory product ne but the resins and gums are excretory product of the plants chida koina excretion gi koi plant gi part ki lo shankre nogi chapter da life process tam khiba amangi nutrition respiration ko excretion transportation masi mayam se no khanga maning khale masai masi matang da no first chapter se lo shan na